If your Google TV looks way too dark even with brightness maxed out, it's often caused by power saving features, incorrect picture mode, or adaptive video brightness settings that dim the screen automatically. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the dark display and bring your brightness back to normal. Solution 1. Change picture mode. Open your Google TV, then use your remote to navigate to the settings, then go to Device Preferences or System depending on your OS version. Find the option called Picture from here. Open it. Now select Picture Mode. Switch from Energy Saving or Eco Mode to Standard or Vivid depending on your TV model. These modes use higher backlight level and better contrast for a brighter image. Also go back to Picture tab again. Select Auto Backlight and turn it off. This setting can sometimes cause this glitch too. And while you are here, you can increase the backlight to 100 manually from here. See if you notice any change in the display. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. But if not, then you can try this next solution. Solution 2. Enable developer options and adjust color settings. From your Google TV home screen, use your remote to navigate to the settings gear icon. Now go to Device Preferences or System depending on your OS version. Go to About. Then scroll down to your Google TV OS build. Use your TV remote's OK button to tap on it 7 times. This will enable the developer options. Confirm your choice if you get prompted or anything. After that, go back to Device Preferences. Scroll down and find Developer Options. Inside Developer Options, find the Picture Color Mode setting. Turn on Use sRGB and turn it off. See which one helps. If neither work, change your TV color. Scroll down from here. Now select Stimulate Color Space. Shift between the color options here, like Monochromacy and Deuteronomaly, and so on. Eventually, after switching between all of them, choose Disable at the end. This sometimes resets the color correction of your TV. And that's how you can fix a dark screen on your Google TV. If your display is finally bright again, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching.